Did you know that there is a simple formula that can predict exactly how long your money will double without having to guess? Imagine turning $1,000 into $1 million just by understanding the math behind compound interest. Seems impossible. Big investors and millionaires use this rule to grow their equity in a predictable way, and today you will learn exactly how to do it in practice. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to apply the 72 rule. Use strategic investments and multiply your money over the years. How long does it take to double your capital? What rate of return do you need? Which is the fastest way to the million? Let's respond to all this now with real simulations and financial projections that can completely change the way you invest. Then stay until the end, because every second of this video can be worth a lot of money in your future. Many people dream of accumulating wealth, but few really understand how money grows over time. Most people make a common mistake, leaving money stuck in savings, believing it is safe, when in fact it is losing purchasing power. Others invest randomly without a clear strategy and end up frustrated with the slow results. The big problem is the lack of knowledge about compound interest and the impact of time on capital growth. The good news is that you don't need to be an expert to understand how to double your money strategically. There is a simple rule used by experienced investors and that anyone can apply to predict the growth of their wealth: the 72 rule. The rule of 72 is a simple but extremely powerful calculation. It works like this. You take the number 72 and divide by the annual rate of return on your investment. The result will be the number of years your money will take to double. It seems simple. Let's get into practice. If you invest with a 6% annual return, just divide 72 by 6, and you'll see that your money will double every 12 years. If your rate of return is 10% per year, your money will double in 7.2 years. Now, if you get 20% per year, the time drops to just 3.6 years. This formula has been used for decades by investors to plan their wealth growth in a predictable and calculated way. And that's exactly what we're going to do now. See in practice how long it takes to go from $1,000 to $1 million, depending on the investment strategies. Now let's put this rule into action and simulate 3 different scenarios to see the real impact of the 72 rule on wealth building. In the first scenario, we consider a conservative investment of 6% per annum, such as some fixed income funds and public bonds. If we start with $1,000, it will double to $2,000 in 12 years. In 24 years, it will be $4,000, and in 36 years, it will be $8,000. It seems slow, right? Now let's move to a more moderate investment, such as stocks or ETFs that yield an average of 10% per year. In this case, your money would double every 7.2 years. With initial $1,000 in 7.2 years, we will have $2,000, then $4,000, then $8,000. And following this logic, in about 50 years, we would already be in the house of millions. Now that you understand the power of Rule 72, it's time to put this knowledge into practice. What rate of return have you already achieved on your investments? Comment below if you like this content and want to learn more about financial strategies to multiply your money. Watch the next video of the channel that is appearing on the screen now. Don't miss this opportunity to transform your financial mindset and accelerate your path to wealth.